Hi! Before watching this video, kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking channel, huwag mong kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para updated ka sa every upload ko ng videos kagaya nito.
Good day guys, and for today's video, I will teach you on how to upload a story on Facebook or Messenger longer than 30 seconds on iOS or iPhone. So, usually kapag we are posting a Messenger story or Facebook story, ganito yung ginagawa natin. We usually do like this. So, we choose the video. So for example, this 1-minute video, kailangan natin siyang i-post sa Facebook. Di ba kapag ganito, when we click the trim, hindi siya buo. We cannot post it fully the 1-minute version of this. Kasi nga, Facebook only allow to post a story in 30 seconds only. So same with Messenger. Ganito rin yung usually. So when we choose the video, ganun din. So ayan, nakalagay video is too long, so 30 seconds clip only. So ganito yung tricks niya. So punta ka sa story tab and then click add to story, tapos pipindutin natin or we're going to click the camera. Ayan, so when we click the camera, meron dyang gallery or yung gallery sa gilid. I-click natin yan and then choose the video longer than 30 seconds. So yan, habang hinahanap natin. Ayan, so this is the 1-minute video story. So ang i-click natin is yung add to story sa baba para ma-post siya in full. So ayan, pupunta siya ulit sa story tab and then mag-a-appear siya sa unahan. It will upload. Ayan. We need to wait for it to upload. Ayan. And after that, ayan, yung story natin is 30 seconds longer na. So na-post natin yung 1-minute version of this video story. So ayun lang guys, hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe and also share this to your friends and families. Yun lang guys, thank you and God bless. Peace.